One of the things we're doing is we're shifting our computer literacy to include more coding. So we're using drones to introduce block coding and written code to the students. So with the program, they use drones to explore the different options for block coding and stuff like that to improve their coding skills and abilities. One of the big things they learn is problem solving. They go through that engineer and design process, so they're constantly reevaluating their code and stuff like that to improve how their drones fly. The other thing that they're learning a lot is teamwork. A lot of times they'll work with each other to kind of figure out, debug their code and stuff like that to figure out how to make their drones work better and how to make their code better and things like that too. So a lot of problem solving and teamwork in here.
It was aggravating at the first point, but then I started to like it. When I first started to code the drone, it was hard for me. I didn't know how to do it. So I had to keep on trying for it, then I succeeded it.
My favorite thing about using the drones is that everyone doesn't have the same height that they have to go to for the drones, so that there's no crashing and you don't have to worry about breaking the drones. And also the best part is like trying to figure out the movement. It's just really fun to figure out the angle that you need to move it.
I think it's a really great opportunity because there's a lot of jobs that are available with computer programming and coding that there's not a lot of skilled people out there to do those. So it's really giving them an introduction to computer coding, but it's also giving them an introduction to what kind of other things are available with technology too. So like drones and robots and things like that they can explore as they look to college and careers in the future. The grant will be really good because it'll offer us the ability to purchase more equipment so we can get replacement parts so that we can keep our drones flying. We can add additional drones so that more students can access them during class time. The other thing it'll allow us to do is to purchase a curriculum so that the students have more guidance on how to learn coding with the curriculum. And then the other thing that we can do is we can look at more advanced drones and look at coding and how to use those drones as well too. So it'll really give us the opportunity to expand our program. I really enjoy it because it's something different. The students are getting exposed to something they wouldn't get exposed to in the classroom, but the skills that they're learning in here, they can take to the other classes as well, like the problem solving skills. We even tackle some math and stuff like that with some of our codes. And it also allows just flexibility and creativity in the classroom that I didn't really get as like a science teacher is what I taught last year.